Did you know some kids have the most unexpected superpowers? Meet Carlos from Mexico City, who discovered his sneezes create magical floating zones. When his best friend Maria couldn't reach her high locker, Carlos sneezed nearby and whoosh, she floated right up. But during lunch, Carlos felt a big sneeze coming. Achoo! Suddenly, every tray, burger, and juice box started floating around the cafeteria. Kids from every corner of the world watched as their lunch became the wildest, weightless food fight ever seen.